Hi. Everything that you want and are wanting is on its way now. This video is meant for you. This video is quick, and this video is just a reminder to you that what you are trying to manifest is on its way now. And here are a few things to speed it up. The first thing to speed up your manifestation. The first thing is I want you to listen to your affirmations. I want you to write down your desire. What is your desire? Is it more money? Is it a house, a car? What is it? Love? Write it down. And when you write it down, underneath that, I want you to write down affirmations that support it. For instance, if you want more money, I want you to write affirmations about money. If you want love, I want you to write affirmations about love. I want you to record yourself saying your affirmations. I'm safe to have a lot of money. It's safe for me to have a lot of money. It's safe for me to have love. I attract love. My health is improving every single day. Or whatever it is, I want you to talk out your affirmation, record it on your phone or your computer, and then I want you to listen to that every day. Now, if you have a belief that is going against your affirmations about money or about love or whatever, you have to listen to these affirmations at night when your conscious part of your brain is sleeping. You can also play these affirmations in the background, and the more you play these affirmations as you go about your day, the less that you hear them. And this is when they will start to go into your subconscious, and this is when they'll start to play out in your life. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to visualize your desire a little bit more than what you're doing it right now. Just a little bit more. I want you to imagine the life with your desire. I want you to imagine what you'll be doing right now. And I want you to imagine that your desire is here already right now. It's a done deal. It's done. It's the past. You already did it. And don't try to force any emotion. Just visualize your desire and just program your subconscious to match that desire. Look, you clicked this video for a reason. That means your desire, it's on its way now. It's like a train, you can't stop it. The train's going a little slow or a little fast, but you can speed it up even faster when you program your subconscious to match your desire and you visualize your desire a little bit more. This is what you need to do, and this video is meant for you. I hope this video makes sense. I hope you understand it, and I hope you use it to manifest what it is you're wanting faster. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.